Well, those millionaire and billionaire, they are the leader. They are the creative people. And the studies show also there are so many traits out there that build a character as well. They have the drive and they work hard people. They're go-getter. They have the courage and they have the purpose in life. They have the goal and they have a clear goal to become who they want to be in the future. They are knowledgeable people and they not stop seeking more knowledge. They always seeking more knowledge, seeking wisdom from the Lord every day. They have healthy body. Because number one, they have a healthy mind. Of course, they're going to have the positive and healthy body. They are very optimistic people. They always thinking positive. They believe themselves. They also believe in their team. They are motivator as well. They also keep continually thinking everything possible in their life. And they are energetic people. They are very enthusiastic. They're energizing, they're focusing on the goal, and those are their character. So now take a look at the most powerful main ingredient that will push them through to achieve their goal in life. From what I learned, they are very visualizing people. And I come to across that the research show visualization is the most powerful factor in our mind and a brain developing that memory. If we create a visualization, create the image in our brain. Why? It's important. Visualization is the main key ingredient to achieve your goal. Before we dive into that, please hit like, subscribe, and share. And remember, Paula 365 is always here to encouraging you, empower you, who you want to be. Let's dive in. Alright, visualization is a very powerful key factor for all the successful people out there are practicing. And why I believe that? Because the research show that our brain have a special encode that create a memory. We're gonna create the reality in our brain to remember what is the real memory. So who you want to be. You must have a clear goal in mind, who you want to be in the future, and start to visualizing that. Start to practicing that. The more you practice in that area, is the more powerful that you create your new memory in your brain. Okay, now how do you study? I study by watching multiple times and listening multiple times. And my brain will start to store that memory. I remember when I was in college, I read out loud multiple times because I'm learning by listening. And I also start to watching multiple times and start to visualizing the image. So when I come to do the presentation, I don't need my note. That's how my brain starts to develop, to memorize those images. Put it this way, when you go through the media, like you watch YouTube or you watching your Facebook's page or any social media that you go through, you start to filter what you want to watch, what you want to listen. You start to look into what you might interest are. So you're the one who train your brain to create that memory. That's why you have to master visualization. That is the main ingredient to push you through to achieve your goal. Okay, hang on there. Why I say this? Because I have studied. Our brain is built up with the network of neuron that is filters the information what we interest are, what we like to storage. That's why I believe visualization is the most powerful factor that help us to achieve our goal and make things possible by visualization. It's not like you just meditate and see, I want to become a queen of England. Would that possible? No, because I wasn't born there and I don't have my family related. If I am dream to become millionaire for the next 5 years, I can see that it's possible and achievable. Why is that? Because based on my study, know of myself, based on information that I stored in the past history, what I learned of, what I know of, and I believe I can develop more because we all have more room to grow. So based on visualization is powerful. On top of that, you gotta push out your confidence by get out of your comfort zone. If you've been in the same environment and you know that doesn't do you any good in any area at all in your life, why will you stay in the same environment? Why you want to feel great among the crowd that you are not improved? Most studies show that if you stay the same level by feel confident with your current situation, you are not improved. No matter how you visualize, you can have many dreams but will never come true, because all this ingredient you gotta change. You gotta change environment, you gotta push out your comfort zone, and you gotta continue push that confidence out. Now the second ingredient of being part to continue visualization, you must embrace whenever uncomfortable moment. Let's say you go out there in that new environment and you feel like you're not fitting. That's okay, because that is the first step. You build your new confidence in you. So hang in there and keep pushing that confidence. Embrace in that moment that you feel uncomfortable. It's going to be the new you, but doesn't mean you're going to stay the same level. You're going to be a better person. You're going to become who you want to be in the future. Instead, you feel uncomfortable and step down and push back into your old environment, you will never be improved who you want to be for the future. The next thing is, the next part of the ingredient, after you push out your confidence, get into the new environment, you must embrace yourself when you feel that you might be embarrassed, part of new area that you might not fit in. Next, if you feel embarrassed, part of the crowd, you feel you don't fit in, maybe the way you look, or the way you dress up, or the way you're giving speech, it's not the same as everyone else. The company is too big, the people is too nice. I feel that I'm not belong. I can't give this speech. I can't sell to this rich people. I can't improve my presentation. Let's say all this about you, and you feel embarrassed because you give the wrong speech. You are not alone, and everyone out there have been there, been done that, been failed many times, including myself. So I want to encourage you in that moment, embrace yourself. The next ingredient is you must knowing that everywhere you go, you're gonna get judged by the people around you. Even you stay the same in your current environment, your current friend, your current family, somehow no one approve everything you do. They're gonna judge you no matter what. So I want to encourage all of you, care less about the people judging you. Care less about the media gonna judge you. Care less about your boss gonna judge you. Care less about anyone gonna judge you, because we live in the world this day, everyone judge everyone, so you're gonna get judged no matter what. So get out there, improve who you want to be, dream big, dream that can be achievable. That is the key. If I try to do the presentation, do the show, to share with you all, and knowing that I'm gonna make a mistake and I'm gonna sit back like, why would I do that? Nobody gonna watch me. If I sit back and think about that all day long, all year round, I will never come out here and give the speech, never come out here to share. I will never be improved. I will never be step up who I want to be. That's why I want to encourage all of you. Just go out there and experience the new you. Okay, now after you experience that, you get out into the new environment, you push out your comfort zone, push your confidence out there, and you embrace uncomfortable moment, and you embrace their embarrassment moment, and you don't care about criticizing. Those are the most recipe part of that powerful on top of visualization that you are going to master. Most important for us is to create a new memory for our brain to start memorizing who we want to be, who we are going to be. And our brain will start to filtering that information. And guess what? That is powerful. And that's right there automatic will help you push through to achieve that goal almost instantly. The more you visualizing this, our brain starts to believing that, because you are creating that memory, empowering your brain to collect all that data. Like you go through your social media, you always skim through and collecting areas that it might interest you. So that's what network of neuron in your brain now, and you know why it's visualizing. It's really powerful. which is the study prove that you start to empower yourself to learn and to develop more skill. If you want to become a teacher and you see yourself to become a teacher the next 5 years, you're going to start to collect all the data, information. You will walk into that direction and you will study hard, you will work hard to become a teacher, right? And that's what your brain start to collect that data, because you start to encode that brain to believe that it's real memory. And that's important because you have reprogrammed your brain to change that system and filter that system. It's called reticular activating system that was based on the research show. Well, the more you do that, confident you're going to be. And the more you do that, is the security in you, it's going to be. You're gonna feel that the new you're gonna feel that this is achievable. And your brain filter more information in that area because you have created the new powerful believing system in your brain. And that is neuron that activating the filter of believing system, because you have programming your brain based on what you believe, based on your visualizing. Because science part of it, it's kind of cool. But for me, I have faith that when I ask the Lord and seeking for the wisdom from Him to gather information based on I believe that I can achieve, line up as a Christian life, and it's okay to be a millionaire or be a billionaire someday, as long as I working my way up in the right direction. So I want to encourage everyone out there that it's not a sin to become a millionaire or a billionaire or trying to become the new you. That is possible, and that it's okay to embrace that you need to get out there to become a person who you want to be in the future, and believing yourself, believing that all the goals that you're setting can be achievable. Believe that your self-worth and that achievable goal will come. The more you're visualizing that, the more you empower your brain to believe in that, who you become. And like I said, the goal gotta be achievable. And a part of the ingredient to achievable is you work hard. We live in America that is a hustle culture. Everyone work hard. You must not rely on one income only. And you gotta stay motivated. And you gotta be persistent. And you gotta be passionate about what you like to do in life. And you gotta stay motivated in that area. And you gotta be knowledgeable about it. And you gotta be no fear at all. And you gotta embrace yourself, whether an uncomfortable moment, whether embarrassment moment, whether it's someone judging you. Like I am here right now, I'm not afraid of being judged by media. I'm not being afraid to be judged by anyone, because we live in this world, everybody judging everybody, because everyone busy in life and they forgot about to encourage everyone to grow more. That's why it's only 1% are successful people, because they are positive people, they are leaders believing in themselves, and they believe others around them, and they help encourage everyone around them to achieve their goal. And that is only small percentage to become who they want to be. The good news is we live in America. Think about it, compare in the world. We live in the richest world. To become a millionaire is a very achievable goal. So I encourage everyone out there, don't be afraid to think and dream big to become who you want to be. We live in a world with technology to do many tasks that we can leverage easily. So I empower you all to push yourself with that confidence, to embrace yourself with embarrassment, embrace yourself with the uncomfortable moments, embrace yourself when someone's judging you, and continue pushing through, building up your goal, visualizing, and keep on pursuing that goal. And remember, Paula 365, learning and sharing with all information as possible, so we all can achieve our goals together. Thanks you all for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. If I bring you some value today, please don't forget to to comment below. And don't forget to ask me any question. I would love to share with you all. I would love to push myself to the next level. Thank you so much, and hope to see you all next time. And enjoy the rest of your life. And keep on, continue in the confidence. Get out of your comfort zone. Don't stay in the same environment that is not do any good to you. Love you all very much.